In first year, I was in semi-catered accommodation, so it was good. So it was 2 meals a day, 5 days a week. So it meant that whenever I was down at Kingsway, I could get my lunch at Kingsway and then have my class and then come home and get my dinner. Don't worry at all if you don't get until your first choice, because there's plenty of houses in the private sector. You have people to look up to. They can really just be great support for you there. It just feels like kind of like a wee family. Then whenever I went into second year, I went into private accommodation. It was university managed, so it was good in the sense that if you had any problems, you could go to the uni about it, and you didn't really go directly to the landlord. It was still that kind of safety net in a way. And then third year, I've really enjoyed my accommodation because it's completely private. It's nothing to do with the uni, but I think it's good in the sense that I'm with my best friend who's also a music student, and it just feels like a lot more like home because, you know, we just get on so well and stuff, and it just feels really nice. I've met a lot of friends throughout my university experience. I've also met one through my course, Chloe, who plays the keys, and also Crezo, who's a singer, and they're both in second year now studying music, and it's just been really great because you can just rehearse with them in uni and then go out and gig with them, and it's just a really great experience. I'm in a band with 2 of the members who are in my course. Well, at the minute I've got 2 tracks produced, and I'm in the process of getting another 2 produced so that I can have an EP released. I'm also, within my course, I'm doing a songwriting module in third year, so I've done songwriting in second year, and we had to make our own EP, you know, self-produce it and write it. And this year I have to compose my own album and produce it as well. The whole 3 years have been a major highlight, and it's just an unforgettable experience, really.